Move on to Canva, open a new page and a new interface, maybe a thumbnail for YouTube or a banner for your blog. Select big shaded square with rounded corners and add small shaded squares within the interface. Select a cloud, change its color and start adding the desired pixels for your design here on Canva. Now friends, my name is Dheeraj Gursaya, and before proceeding to this video, if you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon as well. Now what you need to do is head on to Canva software, link I have provided you in the description. Now select the dimensions as you desire. Here in my case I am taking 5000 by 3100 as it makes more than 5 megapixel size for my image. So click on create a design, custom design, and here is my selected size. You can select any other as you want and click on create a new design. Now head on to templates, in shapes click on see all. Now here I will select this one. So it is simple, you have to drag and drop. Now I will extend it to its full length, extend to its width. Now I will change the color, I will have a different look for this. So dark, then a little dark, this is okay, then okay, this is little dark, and for the big screen interface I will look for another color. So this one is fine I think. So you can, from here you can choose the different type of shade in colors you want. For in case in one color you can have multiple type of shades. This is our main background. I will scroll down a bit little and select here with hollow rectangle. I will change its width, I will reduce its width, I will drag and I will rearrange into that best suits here in rectangle. Okay, so this one is perfect. Again I will select small type of squares. I will change color from the upper portion and this I will make a dark. Okay, now this is fine, so I will reduce its size. The rectangle color I will change, and now I will make it a little larger and I will drag and drop it here. Now for making it duplicate I will press on the key duplicate. I will place these small rectangles all over. When we press on the duplicate it saves our time as we have selected the particular element from the element section. Okay, there you go. Now this is my main interface that is ready here on Canva. So I will right now I will change the background color. You can see as the background color appearing here is white, so I will change it to gray. Okay, gray. I will try with some another color, but seems like it is not matching with my element. Again I will readjust this, change my background color to gray. Now I will type here cloud. I want to give a cloud in between my interface. Meanwhile I will resize this. Okay, from this side also. Okay, now I will select a cloud that will best match and suit my design. Friends, I am getting this element. I have got many of the premium free feature elements from Canva. So if you join my link you will also be able to get 10 to 20% of my elements. So I will click on these clouds. As you can see, when I clicked on first cloud they show me magic recommendations. Friends, this is the power of joining my link of premium features to get premium features here on Canva. I will keep it in here in center. I will change its color to gray, dark gray. I will click outside and now I will look out for here for another element, internet. I will type internet in the element section, and now from here friends I will select various different types of elements that best represent the internet section. So Wi-Fi, say like Wi-Fi, then home representing a Wi-Fi internet signal. I will make its size smaller and start fitting this in my one by one in boxes. I will make the size shorter and fit this into boxes. Now friends, you have to remember here, you can get these free feature elements which are premium elements if you join my link on Canva. So I request you to join my link so you can get these elements. If you directly go to the elements, you will not get these free links. So now I will select computer and CPU. I will make its size smaller and again I will place this into one of the box. Now here it is showing me the magic recommendations. I will select this earth and the arrow sign which best represents the internet section, and search bar, and again this files section. I will change the color later on because if I change it right now the element section will disappear. So first what I am doing is dragging and dropping all the elements in my field. So I will make it size smaller and again I will fit this into one of my box. This is the group discussion in case of social media. This is a video symbol. I will make it size smaller and fit into one of my squares. Download button which people usually refer, then mobile. I will search for something different. Now email and this Wi-Fi symbol, make it size smaller and fit into the remaining two boxes. Now once I have added all the elements, I will change the color and I will make it white. I am making this white because it matches my gray background here. You can select the color as per your choice, as per your design background. Right now I am making all my colors to white, that best represents this design. Now this background is ready, so I have to add few things in the middle. I will search here for laptop, select a design that best suit or a laptop and a mobile. So first of all I will select a laptop here, and then in magic recommendations I think there is mobile, yes. So I will make its size smaller and I will try to fit this into my cloud. So drag and drop and fixing it in this cloud. Okay, so I will remove this laptop as it is not fitting best in my design. I will increase the size of this mobile and a book, and I will select this tube light. I will make its size smaller and fit this in my cloud. Now I will search for star. These are the side items. These are not compulsory, I mean they add a look to your design. So I will change its color to white. I will make its size smaller and give them a suitable position here on my design. I will make a duplicate of this and add this to the other side of the design. Again I will head on to elements and search for plus. I will select this plus and I will change the color to white, one side and the another side white. I will make its size way too smaller and make its duplicate and place this on another side. Now I want some balloons, so I will type here happy birthday, so I get some few of the balloons. So I will select this and I will make its size smaller and I will change the color to white. Right now they are into different types of colors. Increase the size a bit later and I will change all the 3 balloons color to white one by one. Okay, so in this way my design is ready. Now I will click on this download button. Here you can choose the type of format you want: PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, PPTX, video. So in my case I want my format to be PNG as it is a high quality image, so I will keep this as PNG and I will click on download button and I will download this file, and my file will be more than 5 megapixels. So in this case this is a high clarity file. And so friends, if you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon as well, and don't forget to like the video. Okay, now I will save this on the desktop itself and click on save.